Come test drive the 2019 Ford Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preference of its drivers. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM CD, MP3 radio, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, compass, security system, electronic stability control, CD player, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.